Imagine this. You want to talk to your pet dog, so you say sit, but your dog doesn't understand English. What if you had a translator that turned your words into woof language, so your dog understands and follows your command? Well, in the world of computers, something very similar happens. You write code in a programming language like Python, C++, or Java, but your computer doesn't speak those languages. It only understands machine language, a long list of zeros and ones. So, how does your computer understand your code? The answer is compiler. What is a compiler? A compiler is a special program that translates code written in one language, like Python or C++, into another language that a computer can understand, usually machine code. So what is compiler design? Compiler design is the study of how to build these smart translators. It teaches us how to read human-written code, how to check if it's written correctly, and how to convert it into fast, efficient machine language. Compiler design is like building the brain of the translator. Let's use a simple example. Suppose you write int x equals 5 plus 2. The compiler takes this line and turns it into a set of instructions the CPU can actually run, like load 5, load 2, add, store in memory location X. That's what lets your programs come to life. The 6 steps of a compiler, explained simply. Designing a compiler is like making a smart robot that does its job step by step. Let's break it into 6 easy parts. 1. Lexical analysis, like reading words. It breaks your code into words or tokens. Example, int x equals 5 plus 2. 2. Syntax analysis, like checking grammar. It checks if the sentence code makes sense. Is int x equals 5 plus 2 correct? Yes. Is int plus equals x 5 2? Nope. 3. Semantic analysis, meaning check. It asks, do the variables and operations make sense together? 4. Intermediate code generation. This step creates a halfway code, not quite machine language, but getting closer. 5. Optimization. It improves the code to make it faster. For example, instead of doing 2 behind 5, it directly writes 10. 6. Code generation. Finally, it converts everything into machine code, the zeros and ones your computer loves. Why is compiler design important? You might be wondering, why should I care about how compilers work? Well, here's why. It makes your code run faster and better. A smart compiler makes your apps and games smoother. It helps you debug errors. Ever seen a message like syntax error or segmentation fault? The compiler tells you what went wrong, so you can fix it. It's the backbone of programming languages. Without compilers, we couldn't use languages like Python or JavaScript. Even kids use compilers without knowing it. When you run Scratch, Roblox scripts, or even Python Turtle, a compiler or interpreter is secretly working in the background to make it all run. In simple words, compiler design is about creating the brain behind programming languages. It turns your human words into computer thoughts. It's like building Google Translate, but for code. So next time you run a program and it works like magic, remember, a smart little compiler is doing all the hard work in the background. In our future videos, we'll dive deeper into each part, from tokens to machine code, and explore how some of the world's fastest programs are made. Until then, keep learning, keep coding, and remember, programming isn't about typing, it's about thinking. Rich Hickey. And compiler design teaches you how computers understand what you think.